In this video, I will guide you on correctly filling out the supplier data template, ensuring compatibility with the Odoo system. To ensure accuracy, it is crucial to follow specific rules while completing the template. While some columns are optional, I will focus on the mandatory fields that must be filled. Let's begin with the supplier data template format. Name. Enter the full and accurate name of the supplier. This field is mandatory. Address. The address is divided into 4 fields: street, street to, city, and country. Adding the address is not compulsory. You can provide it if available. Phone and mobile. You can add the supplier's phone number and mobile number here. Feel free to include multiple contact numbers in a line. This field is optional. Email and tax ID. These columns are also optional. If your supplier maintains this information, you may add their email address and tax ID in these columns. Now let's focus on the 2 compulsory columns: account receivable and payable. In Odoo, a partner can act as both a customer and a vendor. To reflect this, you need to fill in the receivable type account for the supplier acting as a customer and an account payable related to the supplier. These fields are mandatory. Salesperson. If this supplier has a designated salesperson, you can provide their name in this column. Payment term. This refers to the time period given by the supplier to settle the vendor bill. You can fill in this applicable payment term in this column. It can be 15 days, 45 days or more. Currency. Specify the currency used for purchasing products from the supplier. Company. Enter the full name of your company exactly as it is provided in the company information document. If your company operates multiple branches, subsidiaries, fill in the relevant and accurate company name to which this supplier belongs. Company type. Indicate whether the supplier is an individual or a company. Website. You have the option to include the website link of your supplier, but this field is optional. Tags. You can use tags to group partners into categories as per your preference. This feature is helpful for grouping partners. For example, you can tag suppliers as local or international and easily search, filter, or group them based on these tags. Lastly, there are some additional fields: reference, industry, and internal notes. These fields are not mandatory but can be filled with relevant details about the supplier. I hope this explanation has provided you with a clear understanding of how to correctly fill out the supplier template. Thank you for watching.